Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a long-term review of all my Lasfit products, mainly the Lasfit LED lights, interior, exterior, the floor liners that I have. But before I get to that, I would like to introduce a new product. This is the Lasfit Trunk Organizer. Folds down real small. I'll show you a demo in a few seconds of what this thing is able to hold. It is actually unbelievable. Once it opens up, the amount of things you can store in it, and then you just fold it up to that nice small package. Real strong construction, really nice product once again by Lasfit. So let me show you that real quick and then we'll get into the rest of the video. So as you can see from the little demo I did of all the different possibilities of using this, takes up a decent amount of room in the trunk, but it does fold down to nothing. This holds a lot of stuff. I just mocked it up to show you basically what it can hold. These are 1 gallon jugs. You know, they're very large and it holds it with ease. Hardened floor once you put it in, and like I'll show you, fold it up in the car. So when it's not in use, you don't have to waste any space, and if you want to keep it open all the time, that's good too. Groceries, car products, anything. There's just so much storage. So this is all the space it would use when not in use. As you see, it's very flat, small. These are all the items that were in that bag, just to give you an idea how much space it would take up. It's a great product, nice strong material. Nice little locking mechanisms or clips, that way it stays closed. But yeah, this trunk organizer is great. Use it for any car, groceries, stuff like that. As you can see from that quick demo, the thing, like I said, holds, those are 1 gallon jugs and all different car cleaning products. Use it for groceries, it doesn't matter, cars, SUVs. The product is very versatile, you could use it for anything. With that said, Lasfit's also been having a Black Friday sale. If you use my name with my link, DVL15, you'll get 15% off anything site-wide from Lasfit. So I'll put links in the description for that if you want to grab headlight bulbs, if you want to grab this new trunk organizer. Another cool part of this video, this is also going to be a giveaway video, so there's a lot of stuff going on here. We're going to be giving away one of these as well. I'll give you the rules for this a little later on in the video. So that's a cool thing. This is roughly a $40 item that'll be free to you from Lasfit. So let's get into that review as far as light bulbs and floor liners. So now we'll start with the Lasfit high beam bulbs for the Accord Sport, not the Touring, because the Touring already comes full LEDs. But for instance, on the Accord Sport, they use a 9005 LED headlight bulb. which is a high beam. I'll throw a picture up real quick to show you what it looks like. So now that you can see what they look like, great improvement over stock. I've had pretty much all the bulbs in this car from them about a year now, a little less than a year. I have had zero issues from them. I haven't had any flickering, I haven't had any bulb outages, I haven't had any burning of the housings, plugs, you know, anything of that sort. So all the bulbs, they operate flawlessly, and the light output is greater than stock, looks cleaner than stock. It matches the factory LEDs in the headlights. So that's as far as the high beam goes. I'll show you a picture or a video when I get a chance. I'll throw that up in a little bit. I have the interior lights for your dome, stuff like that. I don't know if you can see, it's daytime. I'll show you that at night. Those as well. Big improvement. Highly recommend getting these. Like I said, zero issues with all of their products. The trunk is also included in that lighting package. I'll put a link as well. That way it has all the bulbs for the car. I have also done the floor liners in this car. I'll show you those in a second, what they look like. The floor liners are super easy to clean. They fit really well. They also save you from having to clean a lot. You know, basically the liner, I'll show you right now. Let me just pull the camera off. As you can see, the floor liner pretty much covers everything. You don't get any dirt. Just show you the rears real quick. Covers everything. A little dirty in the back, but you can see you have full coverage. They hose off super easy. And last but not least of their products for the Accord, we have the reverse bulbs, which are really bright, especially I have tinted windows. So at nighttime it gets a little harder to see out of the back, although you do have a backup camera. These things really make the car look more modern. They light up everything that's behind you, so you can see so much better even through your mirrors and stuff when you have tints. And the turn signals, full LED turn signals, no canvas ready, no LED bulb outages or anything like that, because sometimes LEDs will flicker. These do not. They don't overheat. I have had zero problems with, like I said, every last Lasfit product I've had so far, and I'm very happy. So that is my review of them. I'll see if I can show some videos of them at night. Right now the car's dirty. I want to clean it up before I show you what the car looks like at night. But yeah, I'm gonna do just a few shots at night, show you what everything looks like as a little extra demo. That way you have a better idea of what it looks like. So as far as the giveaway is concerned, right here for this cargo organizer, to be entered for it, what you're gonna have to do is, this time I do a little different. I would like you to put a reason why you would like it and what you think about it. So just put that in the comments, basically what you like about this item, and then more or less the reason, what you plan on using it for. That way it's a little interesting. People like to see the comments and get ideas for different things. So put those two things and we'll randomly select a winner in probably about a week from this video, and we'll get that sent out to you. It'll be completely free to you. You just contact me through the comments on the giveaway reveal winner, which will be a following video after this one, and they'll go on from there. So stay tuned for all the Lasfit stuff that I'm going to show you right after this. That way I'll show you what all the products look like aside from the cargo carrier over here, the cargo organizer, I'm sorry. And yeah, we'll just go from there. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. The interior lights look. It's getting darker out. You can see the interior is really bright with these guys. Back as well. I'll show you what the trunk looks like for the upgraded LEDs. Trunk light is really bright. Factory light is not so bright at all. I'll put a link for those. I'll put the hazards on. I'll show you what the reverse lights look like. These are your hazard lights on. LED blinkers. Super bright. I have red overlays, but they are orange bulbs like factory. Super bright. I'll show you what the reverse lights look like now. And these are your reverse lights. Super bright. They light up everything behind you. And I'm going to show you what the headlights look like, or the high beams. These are the headlights without the high beams on. I'm going to flick them on real quick. This is with the high beams on. The match is really, really good and super, super bright. So guys, thanks for watching. These are what all the bulbs look like at nighttime. It's the interior again with the hazards on. And those are the hazards in reverse. All LEDs by Lasfit. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. And stay tuned for the giveaway video. Take care.